First of all, Dad, are you broke?
Yes.
How much and why?
2,800.
That's not bad.
Damn it.
Why somebody ads?
That's how they make business.
For
Politicians and all this other stuff.
politicians.
Yeah.
Politicians.
It's a way to comedy. It's where politicians get richer. On stuff.
Yeah, the politicians.
Stocks and shit.
I don't know about politicians anymore. I'm neither.
For a politician, we're living in Section 8 housing.
Oh, geez.
If we were politicians, we wouldn't be.
I'm neither. And we'd have to learn the thing. We don't have freedom of speech because
Yeah, we wouldn't have low income if that was it. Politicians, I'm not Democrat or Republican. I'm neither.
One.
I'm not even third party.
You're what?
I'm not even third party. I don't vote. I'm neither any of it.
Like either, because if you vote, it never comes
True. You vote for that person, it came true. It won't come true because they don't make it go true. They say anything to get in office. But they don't have the full control anyways.
What's the point?
I know. The government controls every president or whatever they want to do. The government is the government. You don't need a president because what's the point in having them? Because they don't let you do any of this shit. They just pay you $120,000 a year just to tell them, just to make them, this to tell people and your voice, your face, their decisions and what they want and don't want. They just play a game. That's all they play. If it's a Democrat, they play the Democrat game, the government does. If there's a Republican, they play the Republican game to the Republican president. They do, the government's weird. I don't trust them. I don't trust them. I never will trust them.